A second round of questions, and we'll start with Ranking Member Markey.
Thank you, Madam Chair. You previously worked at the EPA's Inspector General's office. You told my staff that you didn't participate in audits or investigations there and only checked reports for legal sufficiency. Do you have any experience conducting audits or investigations from your prior work?
Thank you, Senator, for the question. I have been involved in oversight work in various forms for literally decades. I began my career as an auditor and accounting staff member at the, as I mentioned, the international accounting and auditing firm of Price Waterhouse. So yes, I do have some experience.
Are you familiar with SBA's programs?
I'm not currently at the SBA, but yes, I've tried to familiarize myself with the programs at the SBA.
Are you familiar with the Paycheck Protection Program, or PPP?
I am familiar with the Paycheck Protection Program.
Are you familiar with the PPP program's affiliation requirements for not-for-profits?
I am not completely familiar with that. I'm familiar, as I said, generally with the program and the way that it was implemented to try to assist small businesses suffering from the pandemic.
Are you familiar with your predecessor's determination that Planned Parenthood met the PPP's affiliation requirements and that it was entitled to forgiveness?
I am aware of that, yes.
Do you agree with that decision?
Senator, thank you for the question. I don't know enough about that matter. I have not read the report involved in that regard. I really don't have an opinion on that one way or the other.
Well, since you've committed to calling balls and strikes as you assess SBA's compliance with the law, I hope you will commit to upholding this clear reading of the PPP forgiveness rules and not engage in politically motivated attacks at Planned Parenthood. Given your boycotting of President Obama's commencement speech at Notre Dame, you can imagine how concerned people might be with regard to some pre-existing bias she might bring towards Planned Parenthood. Could you speak to that issue?
Thank you, Senator, for the question. As I mentioned, I am absolutely committed to serving as an independent, objective, and neutral, nonpartisan Inspector General. That is my role. That's what I look forward to doing. My personal beliefs really are not relevant to whether or not any particular organization would fit that criteria.
And again, I'm just asking if what weight you would give to your predecessor's determination that that Planned Parenthood was entitled to those benefits.
Senator, I'm sorry, I don't understand the question.
The point that I made earlier was that your predecessor in this position in fact, determined that Planned Parenthood met the PPP's affiliation requirements and that it was entitled to forgiveness. What weight are you going to give to your own predecessor's determination on that matter?
Thank you, Senator. As I am charged with, if I am privileged to take on the role to conduct and supervise audits and investigations, I would consider all the information available to me, including the information that was previously provided and current audit and investigation work.
Right. Well, you can imagine that we're concerned about a bias that you might bring to that decision, especially since it would upset the precedent that had already been established by your predecessor in the agency. So let me yield back, Madam Chair.
Thank you,